Woohoo! How cool is this? Hey everyone, it's Craig here, and just overnight and into this morning we've had a bit of rain, and just thought I'd come down to my local waterfall that I'm not too far from actually, and check it out to see how much flow there is. I don't know if you can hear that, but it looks like there is a bit of flow, so I'm just heading on down now to check this out. Check that out, looks like some decent flow. Pretty good. Alright, this is it. This is the flow, this is a local waterfall. It's pretty decent. Good flow, I think. So we'll probably get set up down there so I can grab the flow of the waterfall up here. So let's go down there and check it out. Oh my God! I've got my D810 and the Z6, but I think I use the D810. Still awesome landscape camera. 16 to 35 f4, and then let's see how we go. I've just realised I forgot my 6 and 10 stop filter. No! Let's see what we can do with a low ISO. Bugger. I've got it on f22 because I haven't got my filters, but anyway, we'll see how we go. So hopefully that's enough. It gives me a 1.6 second exposure. ISO low 1, that's because I haven't got my filters. With the D810 you can go below ISO 64. So let's just take a shot. I've got it on a timer as well, just so I don't not touching the camera when it comes. So I'll just focus here, do the test shot. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Okay, doesn't look like too bad. There's a bit of long exposure flow there. Alright, not bad for a test shot. Alright, let's start setting up some decent composures now. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I don't know if this will work, but there's a little puddle down here. I don't know if you can see that little puddle just down there. That, maybe with that in the background. Let's see how low I can get the tripod. I want to get that. I want to get this puddle. I don't know if you can see that. Let me take that off. Yeah, puddle just in here. That in the foreground, you can see in here now. So we'll see what that looks like now. Let me just put you back on. Alright, see what this looks like. I might focus on that puddle, the front of the puddle there a bit. Okay, it's come out not too bad. Alright, so that's that. I don't know, what do you think? I'd love to probably get down and put the tripod maybe on that flowing bit so I can get this sort of area in here with waterfall in the background. Let me just put the action cam low and see what that looks like for everyone before I compose it. Let's have a look. Alright. Could work. Okay, come on, work for it. I don't know if the vibration of the water is going to make this a bit soft, but we'll find out afterwards, I suppose. There's that one. So I've got my crap everywhere at the moment, just to sort of give you a rundown again what I'm using. So I'm using the D810 down there with the 16 to 35 f4 to take the shots. And then here I've got the Nikon Z6 with the 24 to 70 f4, just to do a bit of my B-roll. So that's what I'm using to do everything. I've got this DJI wireless mic system plugged in, just recording straight to the internals at the moment because I've got the DJI Action 2, which I'm filming on this now, which is the action cam with that other stuff. So I'm going to record it straight into the DJI Action mic straight off in there. So beautiful. We'll keep on going. Looks like the flow has come off a little bit because this rain stopped. When I first started, there was some water to the right-hand side of that plant life coming out the waterfall. Now it's sort of more just on the left, so it's died off a little bit. But I might see if I can get down here. I don't know if I can, but let's have a look. Alright, I think that worked. Feet are going to be a bit wet. Let's see what this one's going to look like. Can't get down in there. A bit more. Alright, I think that's going to work. Alright. Put the live view on for this. I think that composition's looking okay. Let's straighten this up a little bit more. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that looks alright. I might see if I can get more of this white water in front. Just down and across. Alright. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, I like that one too. That one's coming up alright. Alright, I think that'll do for that one. I think I've been pretty lucky to get this waterfall to myself. It's not often that you get that, especially after a bit of rain, so hopefully these images have turned out. Yeah, I'll obviously be showing them through the video as well, so hopefully you like them. So that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.